Woof. This is the interrogation room. I am Officer Husky. The police station has just received a report. Someone has drawn graffiti on the walls of the park. The sheriff has caught some suspects. Who is the real bad guy?
Officer Husky, I saw the bad guy. The bad guy ran so fast that I didn't see his face clearly.
Please think it over. What are the features of the bad guy?
The bad guy is wearing a blue outfit.
Please identify the real bad guy based on Miss Rabbit's description.
You got it! Not this one. You got it! You got it! Yes, yes! The bad guy is wearing a red hat. Yes, yes! You got it! Yes, yes! The bad guy is short. Yes, yes! You got it! The bad guy left footprints like these when ran away. The bad guy left footprints like these.
Great. We found the real bad guy.
Wow!
Miss Rabbit, thanks for the clues.
Wow!
The bad guy has escaped by the time the sheriff is here. We need to draw a portrait of the bad guy based on the clues we have.
I am going to train hard to be an excellent op. Which training should we work on next? IQ training. How can you catch bad guys without a clever mind?
Congratulations! You have successfully deciphered the code. You're awesome! You have deciphered the code. You're awesome! You have deciphered the code. You're awesome! You have deciphered the code.
The training is completed. It's another sunny day. Which training should we work on today? Running training. You can't catch bad guys without an improvement in physical strength. Let's start running training. We are going to collect 30 little red flags in this training. Ready! Slide up to jump over the obstacles. Slide left and right to avoid. Roller skates can help you run faster.
I am Architect Kiki. Do you know how to build houses at different locations? This is a seismic hazard map. The colors and numbers marked on the map indicates different levels of earthquake resistance required in house building. Wherever it is, houses should be sturdy. Can you place the buildings at the matching zones of seismic fortification intensity? Level 9 fortification zone. Level 8 fortification zone. That's not correct. Level 7 fortification zone. Level 6 fortification. Now let's build the sturdy houses to stay safe even when earthquake strikes. Villa. Let's build the brick wall first. Scrape off the excess cement. Bind the rebar columns with rebar rings. Fix it in place with steel wire. Let's fix the mold. Fill the steel reinforcement cage with concrete to make a sturdy constructional column. The steel reinforcement cage of the beam and the steel reinforcement cage of the column must be connected when building each floor. Next, pour in the concrete to make a sturdy ring beam constructional column. Thus, the houses are sturdier and more earthquake resistant. Pick a roof you like. Then pick the color to paint the wall. The villa is built. Great job! Buildings with ring beam structural columns and buildings without ring beam structural columns will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going! Skyscraper. We will need some steel components for building a skyscraper. Lift some up from the ground. Sort out the steel components by their shapes. Tie the steel components into bundles. Lift the steel components up for building the roof of the skyscraper. Slide the lever to the left and right to put the steel components in the right place. Hit the steel components with the hammer to align them. Now let's build an enormously big wind damper on the top of the building. Pull the handle to hoist the iron ball. Tighten the screw to fix the iron ball in place. Now install the small damper to connect the iron ball to the foundation. Spin the wrench to fix the screw. The iron ball of the wind damper is very big and heavy. It is as heavy as 132 elephants. Fix it in place on the top of the skyscraper. During a typhoon or an earthquake, it will swing from side to side so that the skyscraper is sturdier and does not shake. Wow, the skyscraper looks so grand! Buildings with shake reduction measures and buildings without shake reduction measures will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow!